bond means electrostatic attraction. In your definition, you must write the electrostatic attraction. You actually, when you define, you are explaining its best meaning. Okay, best statement about the term. This covalent bond. So it must be electrostatic attraction. And electrostatic attraction between what? When this was ionic bond, you got electrostatic attraction between cations and anions. So there were clear cations and anions. Metal forms cations, non-metal forms anions. Then oppositely charged ions are naturally attracted by electrostatic attraction. This is very natural. So no problem was there. But when this is covalent bond, the bond between atoms are neutral. So it's really difficult to think where are the charges to get electrostatic attraction. Okay, electrostatic attraction means, of course, between charge, opposite charge. So when there are atoms, so we're dealing with atoms. So atoms don't have charge. Okay, ions have charge, but not the atoms. But here we are getting atoms, but still they have charge, not on the overall atoms, but atoms have charge in the atoms. I mean in the subatomic particles. So we get this. Consider two atoms. Here is an atom, and I draw another atom. Here we get common space. We say overlapping. They overlap, and in this overlapping, in the common space, they put some electrons. Both of them put some electrons with both the nucleus being positive attract. So where the electrostatic attraction between shared electron, which are negative, electrons are always negative, shared electrons are also negative. So negative electrons must be attracted by positive nucleus. Positive nucleus. So this positive nucleus will attract the shared electron. There's electrons being attracted towards the nucleus. Okay. So what is covalent bond? Covalent bond you can see now. Just see now. If you just think it's an electrostatic attraction, that can be seen clearly. That electrostatic attraction between shared pair of electrons and nuclei of the atoms. The plural sense of nucleus, nuclei of the atoms. Clear? The electrostatic attraction between shared electron and nuclei of the atoms. Clear? So I think definition is clear. So this is covalent bond. আমরা already এই definitionটা লিখে ফেলেছি, সবাই লিখেছো না? ঠিক আছে. Now you can draw the diagram. Okay. Here is also repulsion. Here is also repulsion between two nucleus. The nucleus same charge, positive, they must repel each other, but attraction is stronger. So they are together. When repulsion is less than attraction, then they are bonded. In ionic bond, suppose consider ionic lattice of sodium chloride, we also get their repulsion between same charge ions. There are many cations and many anions. Between cations there must be repulsion. Between anions there must be repulsion. But we still get they are together, they are bonded because opposite charged ions are held together, attracted by the electrostatic attraction. Okay, attraction is greater because of the distance. If you look at the distance is less, and here distance is greater. Between two nucleus is greater distance, and electron and nucleus less distance. So less distance means greater attraction.